This is CBS News Miami.
Hello everyone, welcome to CBS News Miami. Today we have breaking news that 5 individuals were found roaming around the coast of the city. The suspects are 2 men, 2 women and 1 child. They have been confirmed to have been infected with KX71E, which means that the virus has not been eradicated. Wait, we just got information that the emergency alert system has been activated.
A civil danger warning has been issued for all of Miami. The following message is at the request of the Miami Police Department. The individual has been identified. His name is Josiah Martinez, and he was found on the coast, and alone. He started chasing those who found him, and unfortunately, 4 of the 9 people have been bitten and infected. If you are in a hotel, take cover now. Hotel employees will supplies such as food, water and a flashlight. Stay tuned for more information. A civil danger warning has been issued from Miami, Florida. The following message is at the request of the Florida State Health Department. The KX71E virus, now colloquially known as the kill streak virus, is spreading rapidly across the state. As of now, 200 people are infected in Miami, 70 in Fort Lauderdale and 50 in Palm Beach. All of the cities mentioned will be on lockdown until further notice. Normal programming will cease indefinitely. Emergency programming will be the only source of information. Stay tuned for more information.
We have breaking news that KX71E has taken over the state of Florida. Reports said that the United States cut the state off the Union. However, reports suggest that people have been infected in Georgia. These may be fake reports, as there's no evidence of such. We will come back after the commercial break.
Young listener, there's nothing we can do to stop this. You are all dying for the great of the country. People of Florida, we wish you good luck and goodbye forever.
Huh? No way. I actually discovered this? Wait, why is it glowing? And why is it growing? Oh my god, I broke it out of the cage. It's gonna affect me. Please send help.
Hello everyone, welcome to Fox 5 News. I'm Christian Lloyd, and we got breaking news from the police department. It has been confirmed that the kill streak virus has entered Atlanta. There are currently 80 confirmed cases in the city, and it's expected to rise even more. The police department is trying to kill all of the infected. Stay tuned for more information.
A civil danger warning has been issued for Atlanta, Georgia. The following message is at the request of the Georgia state government. It has been confirmed that KX71E has intensified. Cases are now being reported in Atlanta and Savannah. Take cover now. Do not go outside, as you may put your life in extreme danger. Tune in to local radio stations, as TV stations will shut down until further notice. Good luck.
We're no strangers to love.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The KX71E virus, commonly known as Kill Streak virus, has infected the entirety of the East Coast. Major cases are on the following cities: New York, New York, Atlanta, Georgia, Raleigh, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. All residents living between a 5-mile radius of these cities, evacuate now. As the major concentration of cases is in these areas, radio stations will shut down indefinitely. TV stations will come back. To inform you more information, there's currently 20 million cases across the East Coast, and it's expected to rise even more in the following weeks. Good luck.
The emergency alert has been authorized. Health Canada has authorized this emergency message. The American virus KX71E has entered Canada in the city of Toronto. The city will be on lockdown until further notice. Rural areas near the American East Coast gave also reported cases.
L'alerte d'urgence a été autorisée. Santé Canada a autorisé ce message d'urgence. Le virus américain KX71E est entré au Canada dans la ville de Toronto. La ville sera en confinement jusqu'à nouvel ordre. Les zones rurales proches de la côte est américaine ont également donné cas signalés.
700 cases have been reported in Toronto and 400 in the rest of the infected areas. You're advised to be from a 5-mile radius of these cities. If you're on the infected areas, you'll be on lockdown. Stay tuned for more information.
700 cas ont été signalés à Toronto et 400 dans le reste des zones infectées. Il est conseillé d'être dans un rayon de 5000 de ces villes. Si vous êtes dans les zones infectées, vous serez confiné. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
This is an emergency message. NBC New York is transmitting this message. Important details will follow. This is an emergency message. NBC New York is transmitting this message. Important details will follow. This is an emergency message. NBC New York is transmitting this message. Important details will follow.
Missiles have been fired at New York City. Flee immediately. The president has taken drastic measures to stop the extension of KX71E, commonly known as the Kill Streak virus. Anyone living in a 8-mile radius of the city must flee immediately. Bring all of the basic needs, such as food, water, clothing, and medicine. This message is transmitting in many cities in the East Coast. The capital of the United States has been moved to Denver, Colorado. Goodbye and good luck.
This is FOTS 5 Atlanta. An emergency alert is coming. Please do not turn off your device. This is FOTS 5 Atlanta. An emergency alert is coming. Please do not turn off your device.
An immediate evacuation has been issued for all of Atlanta. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. The president has taken drastic measures to try and stop the expansion of KX71E. If you live in a 5-mile radius of the city, you must evacuate now. Bring all of your necessary supplies, such as food, water, medicine, and clothing. Do not use highways. Seek alternative routes. The mayor of the city is now in a safe location. This concludes the final message. Goodbye.
This is CBS News, Texas.
Hello everyone, welcome to CBS News Texas. I'm Mike Collender, and we have breaking news that the virus that originated in Miami has entered the state, with cases now being reported in Dallas, Houston, Texas City, Austin and El Paso. So far, 700 zombies have been confirmed. Stay tuned for more information.
Este es un mensaje del Gobierno de México y la Secretaria de Salud. El virus americano Streak ha entrado al país. En este momento 500 casos se han reportado en Monterrey, y 25 en la Ciudad de México. Es recomendable evitar zonas de mucha población. Quédate en tu casa, ya que salir puede ser un riesgo para tu salud. Más información la encontrarás en www.gov/kx-71e.mx.
Please stand by. An emergency message will soon be broadcast at the request of His Majesty's government. Please stand by. An emergency message will soon be broadcast at the request of His Majesty's government. It has become apparent that the virus that originated in the United States has entered the country. Cases have been reported in the following cities: London, Manchester, Birmingham, Bristol and Leeds. Due to all of the circumstances, Scotland and Wales have decided to try and split off the country, but we are all sure that they will fail. Stay tuned for more information.
The following message is at the request of the United States government. KX-71 is expanding rapidly across the world. Cases have now been reported in the following countries: Canada, Mexico, and Britain. It's expected to enter the following countries in the following weeks: France, Guatemala, Belize, Cuba, Bahamas, Jamaica, and Haiti. All residents of the United States are strongly advised to not go outside, as you may put your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned for more information.
La CONADA ha activado la alerta roja para los departamentos de Huehuetenango y San Marcos, alerta naranja para Petén y alerta amarilla para zonas cercanas de la frontera con México, incluido el departamento de Quetzaltenango. Este es una alerta de emergencia para el país. El virus americano KX-71 se está expandiendo rápidamente por el país. El mayor número de casos se ha reportado en Quetzaltenango. Se recomienda no salir de casa. El gobierno te va a proporcionar suministros como comida, agua, ropa y medicina. Gracias por su atención.
Bonsoir et bienvenue sur France 24 à 18h. Aujourd'hui, nous avons des images du confinement au Royaume-Uni du haut virus KX-71e. Des rapports suggèrent également que des cas ont été signalés dans la ville de Lille. Toutes nos condoléances à ceux.
Nous sommes France 24, nous sommes désolés pour l'interruption de la programmation régulière. Merci de rester à votre disposition pour plus d'informations. Nous sommes France 24, nous sommes désolés pour l'interruption de la programmation régulière. Merci de rester à votre disposition pour plus d'informations. Il s'agit d'une urgence de niveau national. Le président a décrété l'urgence pour les villes suivantes: Paris, Lille, Toulouse, Marseille, Nantes et Bordeaux. Des cas du virus KX-71 ont été signalés dans les villes mentionnées. Tous les résidents du pays seront confinés jusqu'à nouvel ordre. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
This is an emergency warning. This station has interrupted regular programming to bring you this emergency warning. The American virus KX-71E has entered Australia.
Cases have been reported in the following states: Victoria, New South Wales and Queensland. The city of Brisbane has been the most affected with 25,000 cases reported, and 5,000 already dead. Do not go outside as you will put your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned for more information.
This is an update on the KX71E virus spread across Canada. Cases have now been reported in every state, excluding the Canadian territories. Due to the circumstances, the United States and Canada have both taken drastic measures to stop KX71E launching 5 nuclear missiles in the following cities: Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver, Calgary, and Ottawa. Out of the 38 million people that habited Canada, only 5.2 million people remain official citizens of the country. This may be the final message, as the Canadian government is about to collapse. Good luck.
Emergencia. 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 Se ha confirmado que el virus americano zombie ha entrado a nuestro país. El gobierno reporta 15.000 casos en todo el país, y se está expandiendo rápidamente. Nuestras Fuerzas Armadas están preparadas para atacar a los infectados. Más información vendrá en nuestro programa de noticias.
Die Notfallwarnung wurde auf Antrag der Bundeswehr genehmigt. Das Virus KX71E ist nach Deutschland eingedrungen. Derzeit gibt es im ganzen Land 50.000 Fälle, davon sind Frankfurt, Stuttgart und Städte nahe der französischen Grenze betroffen. Weitere Informationen folgen, sobald sie verfügbar sind.
Il seguente messaggio è una richiesta del governo italiano. KX71 è entrato nel paese, si consiglia ai residenti milanosi a adottare misure aggiuntive poi c'è la più alta concentrazione di casi si registra in quest'area. È utile portare con sé per 14 giorni cibo, acqua, vestiti, materiale medico e una torsia con batterie di riserva. Non uscire per cesio causerebbe un'infezione immediata. Sono state confermate diverse varietà del virus. K77, Flying Zombie, LX17A, Pet Zombie, SWS Black X7, Ocean Zombie. Restate sintonizzati per ulteriori informazioni.
El gobierno español ha autorizado este comunicado de emergencia. El virus zombie ha entrado a España, se han reportado casos en Barcelona. Se requiere no salir de casa, ya que podrás ser infectado. Esté atento para más información.
Noodgeval. 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 Dit is een noodwaarschuwing van de koning van Nederland. In Nederland is melding gemaakt van het Amerikaanse virus KX71E. In elke staat zijn gevallen gemeld. Naarmate het virus zich naar Europa uitbreidt, wordt het steeds moeilijker om het virus onder controle te houden. Het is waarschijnlijk dat dit land zal vallen. Veel succes!
Följande meddelande är på begäran av Sveriges regering. Det amerikanska viruset har tagit sig in i Sverige. Fall har rapporterats i Stockholm och Malmö. Det rekommenderas att inte gå ut. Militären tar hand om alla infekterade. Om du känner någon som är smittad, ring 112 omedelbart. Lokal polis kommer att ta itu med dem. Håll utkik för mer information.
This is a message from the Irish government. The virus that started in the United States has entered this country. All residents of Dublin are advised to not go outside, as the virus has been reported in the city. Stay tuned for more information.
To jest TVN. Prezydent ogłosił stan nadzwyczajny dla całej Polski. Aktualne doniesienia sugerują, że KX71 wjechał do Polski. Z doniesień wynika, że zarażone zostały osoby w Warszawie, Wrocławiu, Poznaniu i Łodzi. Wszyscy mieszkańcy tych miast będą objęci kwarantanną, aby zapobiec dalszemu rozprzestrzenianiu się choroby. Bądźcie na bieżąco, aby uzyskać więcej informacji.